The Barefoot Investor is a comprehensive personal finance guide that provides a simple, step-by-step system for achieving financial freedom. Scott Pape, a former stockbroker and Australian farm boy, shares his 9-step plan for eliminating debt, living in the present, and retiring comfortably. Key takeaways. 3-bucket system. Pape's approach involves dividing your finances into 3 buckets: plant, savings and emergency fund; grow, investments and wealth creation; harvest, retirement and legacy planning. 9 steps to financial freedom. Pape outlines the following steps. Step 1, eliminate high-interest debt. Step 2, build an emergency fund. Step 3, set up a savings plan. Step 4, invest in a diversified portfolio. Step 5, pay off low-interest debt. Step 6, build wealth through property and shares. Step 7, plan for retirement. Step 8, leave a legacy. Step 9, review and adjust your plan regularly. Bank account recommendations. PEP suggests opening multiple bank accounts to manage different aspects of your finances, including a high-interest savings account, a transaction account, an investment account, a retirement account. Avoiding debt. PEP emphasizes the importance of avoiding debt, particularly credit card debt, and encourages readers to cut up their credit cards. Investment strategies. He recommends investing in a diversified portfolio, including shares, property, and index funds. Legacy planning. PEP discusses the importance of leaving a legacy, not just financially, but also through personal relationships and community involvement. Overall, the Barefoot Investor provides a practical, easy-to-follow guide for achieving financial freedom. While targeted towards Australian audiences, the principles and strategies are applicable to anyone seeking to take control of their finances and secure their financial future. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content.